So look what the wind blew in. I've been out all day actually on the BMW. I put about 120 some odd miles on it today, round trip. When I pulled up at the front door, was a box in it. I had my Saddlemen Road Sofa. So I'm getting ready to take it out for a quick spin to see how it feels. Probably put about 50 miles. Kind of stay local here. Do one of my loops that I normally do when I get off, or this time of evening, and see how it feels. Now I got it for the long rides, meaning state to state. There's nothing wrong with the stock CVO seat. It looks good. It feels good actually, but I probably would not take that seat. Say to North Carolina or down to Florida from Maryland. The support on this is for the lower back. Lumbar area is pretty good. It's different than on the CVO stock seat. But anyway, enough to talk about that. We have to get out here before the sun goes down and talk about it as we ride. First I got to move some bikes out the way. Yeah, right now, let me tell you, it's a win for me with this Saddlemen Road Sofa seat. Immediately, I can tell the difference, of course, from the stock seat. As I was saying earlier, with the lower back support without the backrest, even though I do have the backrest for this, but I do not have it installed right now. I wanted to get out and ride it without the backrest, get the feel of it, and let me tell you, I can see doing long distance with this Saddlemen seat. To put it in perspective, I am 6 feet tall, so yeah, my reach is good. I'm not going to change the bars. I actually like my bars, the handlebars the way they are, the stock setup here. So I think I'm gonna keep it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep it in this configuration. And like I said, the Saddlemen seat is for the long haul rides. So for the upcoming trip that we're taking to Savannah, Georgia, I think this is going to be the one. Now the only thing I'm going to lose, of course, is going to be my King Tour Pack, which comes stock on my Road Glide Limited, which means I'll have to now I have a rack on the back of this bike, and I actually do have a passenger backrest, so all I really need is to get a decent duffel bag that can go over that that backrest and rest on the luggage rack that I have installed, and we should be good. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. Now I've only been out for about 10 minutes so far, and I can tell you it's going to be a go. I'm gonna try to ride it as much as possible to get it broken in. Now I did not get the extended reach seat, and I did that on purpose because I'm not changing my handlebar setup here, so I want it to be still kind of forward, whereas though I have just a little bit of bend in my elbow, because if I would have got the extended reach, I think my arms would have been flat out or straight out with no bend. But this feels good. The seat feels good. Yeah, I had to stop and top off, you know, because I think I'm going to be out a little bit longer than I intended. I just want to give a quick walk around while I'm here at the gas pump, and just to give you an idea what it looks like. And of course it doesn't look like this when you're sitting on it, because it's all about the comfort, and that's what I'm concerned about on those long distance rides. And here's the rack I was talking about, that I have a luggage rack, and I have a passenger backrest of course, which would sit right there. It's not on there now. And yeah, have the brake reservoir, piggyback reservoir relocator kits installed by the dealership. Yeah, and I'm telling you, right out the gate, first 30 minutes in a saddle feels good. Of course, I have the red stitching. Here's where the driver backrest will go here. All right, time to go. What I will do is, if I do ride this CVO from Maryland down to Savannah, Georgia, I will absolutely make a video, and I will talk about the comfort with this seat during that trip. But anyway, the sun is on its way down. I'm going to continue my ride this evening. It's Wednesday. Man, April is fine. April the 23rd, 2025. Wow. Yeah, the great weather is here. And we're rolling. Until next time, see ya.